Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. And now you need to check if you have the notes feature. If you don't have one, just go ahead and open your Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram. So once you've searched for Instagram, if you see update button, just go ahead and update your application, and that should help you with the problem. Okay, so if that doesn't work for you, what you can do is to open again your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen, and click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you see Help. So now just go ahead and click on Report a Problem. Report problem without shaking. Include and continue. And here you can just go ahead and put your problem. So for example, hello, I don't have the notes feature. Can you help me to fix this? Thank you. And now once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Send at the upper right corner of your screen. And also what you can do is to delete your Instagram app. Okay? And just go ahead and reinstall your Instagram app, and that should help you with this problem. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.